Halo, selamat pagi. Tes, tes.
Halo,
Halo, kedengeran ya?
ya,
Sip, sebentar. Nah, hi Ariana, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Today was a great day. How was your week so far?
Good,
Hmm?
good.
Good. How did you spend this week? Did you go holiday or just went to school? Or what did you do to be specific?
Just in the school.
Just went to school, yeah. Was your school like from Monday to Friday ya berarti ya? Monday to Friday and for the weekend the school is off. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Maybe you can share to me like what was the most favorite experience in this week from your school? Maybe you can told me about playing with friends or about favorite subjects.
Hmm, playing with my friends.
Playing with your friends. What kind of game is that?
Hmm, like play ABC.
ABC. Oh, it's like guessing a word.
Yes.
Uh, could you tell me like how you play it with your friend?
Yeah, can uh can spell like ABCDEFG, and if example is G. Um, what the words in the first start with G.
Okay, so
Finish.
oh, okay. So it could be any words or a specific category.
Any word.
Oh, any word. Okay, cool. So, what else? Yeah, that's all from your week. Only for that game.
Yes.
Yes. Okay then. So we can start our class today. Yeah. So, Ariana still remember what was the last lessons on the previous week?
Make scratch. Make a game.
Scratch and make a game. So, could you tell me like what is a scratch?
Scratch is a platform to create a game. There are three parts of the interface of the Scratch, which are one command, two program, three output.
Yes. Okay. It is. It is the previous lessons. Yeah. Okay, so you have any questions so far from that lessons?
Um,
No, yeah, everything's good. Uh, I think you were given a homework. Did you finish it? Oh no, am I audible, Ariana? Hello?
Suaranya tadi putus-putus.
Yeah, the voice is breaking. Could you hear me? I think the internet connection is unstable.
Yes. Mm,
Yes. Okay. So could you hear me right now?
this
Test, 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 test. Am I audible to you?
Mm, finish.
Yeah, you can hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, did you finish your homework?
Yes.
Ah, cool. So let's discuss about it first, and then you can tell me what did you do, and you can explain to me how did you do that. Okay, so please share your screen, Ariana.
Mm,
You know how to do it?
yes.
Yeah, okay. So please share your screen. Explain your homework to me.
Yes.
So for the first explanations, you could tell me like what is the homework and what did you do for that homework?
I give one some draw like that, and then I finish it the draw my draw.
Okay. Okay. So, uh, this one. Okay. So it's your animations, yeah. What did
Yes.
you name it?
The my draw is March, and the cat is um the cat is Blisa.
The cat is
Blisa.
Lisa. Okay. Okay. So cool. Yes. It was the homework, and you already finished it. Have any questions about creating the characters?
No.
No questions, yeah. Okay, then let me share it to the group WhatsApp. Wait a minute, yeah. Um, Sites loading. Okay, yeah. We can continue. Yeah, our lessons, Ariana. So I will share my whiteboard. Then, good job for your homework. Yeah. Uh, whiteboard. Where is it? My whiteboard. Ah, this one. Wait a minute. Where is the group here? Ah, this one. Ariana's homework. Okay, so we'll continue then, yeah. This is our lessons, yeah, from the previous week. We can continue. Now, today we learn about motion. Have you ever heard about it?
Yes.
Motion? Okay, so what is it? What is the
Motion.
motion? Mm-mm.
Motion is motion is to move the character.
Wait, Ariana, can you see my writing on the board?
Yes.
Ah, yeah, okay. So could you repeat again? What was the motion?
Motion is to move the character.
Yes, is to move the characters. Totally correct. Could you help me to write it down on the whiteboard? So
Yes.
yeah, motion is to move the characters. Correct. Yes, motion is to move characters. Yes, is the character. Okay, cool. Okay, you can draw an arrow. Yes, from the motions. You need to click the little circle from this one to this one. Select that.
Oh,
Okay, try again.
okay.
The little one. Uh-uh. Nah, like that. Okay, cool. Yes, motion is to move the characters. Totally correct. So when uh when we are talking about movement in here, yeah, wait, let me highlight it. Eh, no, let me highlight this one. Uh, ah, the the main point is the move. Yeah, so when we are talking about move, what do you have in mind, Ariana? What is a move?
Bergerak.
Bergerak, totally correct. So bergerak, it means something changing. Yeah, something changing. Wait, it's too small. Nah, bergerak and something's changing. Something, something is changing. Nah, so after we already know about something is changing, it will
Nggak kelihatan. Pokoknya jangan ngomong gitu aja. Kok hilang,
it
Mbak?
will tell you again about coordinates. So, have you ever heard about coordinate, Ariana?
No.
Coordinate or coordinate in bahasa Indonesia?
Lihat itu loh, XY. Hmm.
Coordinate atau coordinate. So, what is a coordinate or coordinate?
Diagram itu tuh koordinat X, Y. Koordinatnya X, Y.
Wait, I kind of forget. Which grade are you in your elementary school?
Fifth grade.
Fifth grade. So, what was the lesson? The latest lesson in your math subject?
Buat mas. Hah? Buat mas. Mas apa? Buat mas.
Buat mouse,
Buat mas.
mouse this one for computer.
Oh, komputernya? Oh, no, terus. TIK, TIK. Oh,
A compute, math subject.
oh, Melu.
Matematika, belajar apa di kelas matematika?
Di multiple, oh, multi, divide, multiple, di- multiplication.
Heeh.
Bagian apa?
Kalau bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa, udah. Boleh kasih tahu bahasa
Kalian
Indonesia aja. Perkalian,
kan pembagian,
pembagian.
tambahan sama perkurangan.
Oh, udah
Ini
belajar
udah loh,
koordinat belum?
Ariana. Udah sebenarnya ini loh Ariana yang begini itu loh.
Nih, coba coba sama Mister kasih tunjuk
Ini.
mana ya?
Oh, finish, finish. Yeah,
Ah, you
yeah.
already learn. You already learn about
Kayaknya
coordinate
gitu.
ya. Ah, okay. So if you already learn about that, could you explain to me what is coordinate that you still remember?
Yes.
So what is it?
Coordinate is like X and Y, like this.
Hmm.
Wait.
Yes, you can draw it.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Like this.
Yes. Okay. So basically, it tells you about po,
Hmm.
si,
Posisi.
yes,
Proposition.
position. Yes, positions. Okay. So coordinate means positions. Okay. So you can write it down on your notebook. So what do you need to write? This one? Yeah, this chart. So motion. Motion is to move the characters or bergerak. Something is changing. Coordinates. And this one, yeah. Posisi. Position. Ah, like this. If you already finished, tell me. Yeah.
Udah ada jatahnya. Finish.
Finish. Okay. So we can continue then. Yeah. Have any questions from our materials today?
No.
No questions. Okay, then we can go to the scratch right now. Wait, let me prepare it. Uh, Wait ya. Nah, okay. You can share your screen then, Ariana, yeah, and open again the scratch. Hmm,
Finish.
Mana? Wait, I forgot to screenshot. Wait a minute, yeah. Let me share again the whiteboard so I could share it to the group WhatsApp. Wait, no, this one. Okay. Share again your screen, yeah, Ariana.
Finish.
Okay. So we will make our scratch move. Yeah, but it's already too much characters on our screen right now in here. Yeah, there's too much
Yes.
characters, so we need to hide some of them. Okay, so choose which one that you want to hide. I mean, which one that you want to show for the first time.
Camping.
Mage and
Devin.
Taffy. Oh, okay, so yeah, you can drag it to the left side then, yeah. Drag and then drop. Yes, like that. Okay, so for the other characters, we can hide it by clicking the characters and then click this one to hide the characters. Continue to the others. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
So for the first chapters, you already have two characters. Yeah, maybe you can tell me first about the story, then we go back to our whiteboard so we can elaborate our story for our game. So what do you think for the first time on your game will be like? I will move this one to the bottom of the screen
Soalnya
and then
ceritanya
write this
kayak
one.
gimana?
The story of what
Hujan.
the game
Itu sesuai yang gambar yang muncul.
what the game names?
Barbie.
Ah ya, Barbie doll ya. Barbie. Story of Barbie. Nah, okay. So Ariana, you can tell me again what will be the first chapter of the story, yeah? So uh it will divide it into three story. Wait, let me do it like this. Eh, nah, this one, and this one. So this is the story one, this is the story two, story two, and then story three.
Hmm. Jadi
Nah,
bahas.
okay. So this is the whole of our story game, yeah, story of Barbie. You could write it down from here, from the story one. Like you can tell me about the first part is mm, the place, yeah, the place, the place, and then the dialogue, and then the goal. Like this, Ariana. So you can write, yeah, for the place, the dialogue, and the goal. Like you could tell me, oh, the place in the city. The dialogue will be Barbie asked the dog, have you eat yet or not? Yeah. And the goal is you can make the Barbie go to the mall or something that you have in your mind. Okay? So it's really up to you. You can make it the story, yeah. If you have any question, ask me, yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So, no.
Mm, In front of the market. Okay. Let me move it below over there. Nah, in front of the market.
Mm, Kuliah itu tujuannya apa?
Meet some dog. Okay.
English.
Okay. Mitch give to the Barbie. Wait, who is Mitch?
The friends, Barbie friends.
Oh, the Barbie friends. Okay. Okay. So Mitch meet some dog and then Mitch give to the Barbie. So, okay. So there are three characters in here, which are
March,
mm-hmm,
the
Mitch and then
dog,
dog and then
in front of the market.
no, that is the place. It's the characters. So the characters will be the
Barbie,
yes, the Barbie, yeah, character. Okay, so the character there is Mike, dog, and Barbie. Like this, yeah, for the story one, yeah. Okay, so we already know about the story one. We can make it in the scratch. Uh, you have something in mind to add for the story one?
mm,
No. Okay, finish, yeah. So it will be our guidance to make this game. Hmm, guidance story. Okay, so you can share your screen again, yeah, Ariana. Okay. So what we need to do, uh, you need to put one more characters. Oh, it's already here, yeah. Just show the Barbie then, yeah. Show the Barbie. You can click the characters, yes, and then show it. Okay, so there are three characters already, and we already have in the front of the market, yeah, the place. Now, okay, so for the first step, you can go to the uh,
March.
Mage, yes, and then to make the program. Okay, so what is the program from our previous lessons? Still remember about it?
Motion.
No, motion is movement. It is movement. The program is different. So what is a program?
Um,
Program.
comment.
Have it written before?
Yes.
Okay. So what is a program?
Mm, to create a games.
Okay. So specific. When we are talking about program, you can write it down again. Program. It's like the sequence. of motion. Yeah.
Hmm.
So this is the program. Okay, you can write it on your notebook. Program is the sequence of motions. You know what is a sequence?
Hmm.
Sequence itu kayak serangkaian, urutan. Ya, bisa ditulis juga sequence urutan gitu.
Finish.
Finish?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Okay, so we already know what is the program, which the sequence of motions, and then we can make for the first step, we can call the kejadian, ya, atau ini adalah event. Wait, do you want to change it into English comment or you want to stay with bahasa?
Stay with bahasa.
Stay with bahasa, oke. Klik yang kejadian aja. Okay, and then for all of the program, we need to use this one. Ketika bendera hijau diklik, mhm, you can drag this command into the program. Ya, remember ya, this is what we call as command, and this is what we call as program. And what is one? What we call this one? The sections? The start from O.
Hmm.
There are three parts of Scratch written on your notebooks.
Command, program, and
Uh-uh.
output.
Yeah, so what is this one?
Output.
Output. Okay, still remember, yeah, this one is output. So in the output, what is, you can click this one? This one, yeah. Mhm. Are you sure you want
Yes.
to? No.
No.
Okay, so this one, yeah. This one is the play of the output, the green flag. We call it as
Wait.
green flag.
Enggak ketinggian enggak sih? Biar enggak muat, biar. Udah, biar. Nah, ini. Terus.
Finish?
Mhm. Yes.
Okay. Now, so we already have the green flag, but we haven't add the other command yet. So it's not changing. Now, to make the character changing, you can add more command dengan cara klik gerakan. Nah, gerakan artinya dia akan memindahkan. Ya, pertama misalnya kamu pengen buat dia bergerak, you can drag again the command below of the green flag. Yes. Okay. Now this one we call as program. Whenever you click the green flag, this one.
Hmm. Okay.
Now it will move. You can
Move.
click multiple times. Yeah. So it follow the program under the green flag. Yeah. Now, so we want to make our character moves and start chatting with the Barbie like that, or do you have other storyline, Ariana?
No.
No, okay, like that, yeah. So we can move our mage in here again. You can drag again the mage. Mhm. And then you can remove the gerak 10 langkah. You can remove it by drag and drop only. Yes, yes, and then it will remove it. Okay. Nah, so for the first time you can make pergi ke X dan Y. Nah, ada X dan Y berarti apa ini? Tadi apa namanya?
The name is coordinate.
Yes, coordinate. Yeah. So when we are talking about coordinate, it's about X and Y. Yeah. Now, so if you want to make this character moves, you can make or you can use the meluncur. Ya, meluncur itu kan berarti akan pergi. Nah, kamu tinggal geser misalnya ke tengah ya, mitch-nya. Hmm, ya, ke situ. Lalu kamu tinggal kasih yang meluncur segini. Meluncur 1 detik ke 15,43. Mm-mm. Nah, tempelin. Oke, sekarang bendera hijau coba. Nah, dia akan berpindah.
Hmm.
Ya, oke. So it's the basic of the motions. Ya. Nah, misalnya kamu udah tahu, sekarang coba dengan Barbie. Buat Barbie-nya dari arah yang kanan, lalu ke kiri, biar ketemu. Ya, coba. Caranya sama kayak tadi. It's the same thing. You need to follow the previous steps, the same in the Mitch. Have any question? Ask me ya.
Pencet meluncur ya tadi.
Boleh lihat lagi yang Mitch. Kalau lupa, coba klik yang Mitch. Nah, lihat urutan pertamanya apa?
X and Y.
Yes, pergi ke X, Y, baru muncul. Mhm. Up, digeser, digeser dulu. Ya, Barbie-nya digeser dulu. Kamu pengen dia bikin di mana? Nah, misal di situ boleh. Berarti meluncurnya dihapus dulu. Baru tambah lagi. Bukan yang itu, bawahnya. Kalau itu nanti sembarang nih. Pindahin lagi, mau pindah kemana? Nah, kasih meluncur lagi. Nah, bendera hijau. Tes. Ya. Oke, kayak gitu ya. Have any questions?
No.
Okay, do the same thing with the dog.
Yes.
Okay, ensure the step is the same. Yeah, moving the characters, adding the comment, need to follow the steps in order.
Tapi desa, itu bisa dilakukan untuk apa?
But move the dog first.
Iya.
If you haven't moved the dog, it will not move.
Ini dorong. Kan golden and gold. Alas.
Okay,
Finish.
finish. So how we can go to the next part? The next part is what the storyline again, Ariana?
But I go for it.
Hmm?
Perfect.
Boleh bahasa
Um,
Indonesia, boleh bahasa Indonesia.
tadi
Tadi berarti ngapain? Pertama,
Mike ketemu anjing di jalan di depan market.
mm-mm.
Terus Mike-nya ambil, terus pergi ke rumahnya Barbie.
Nah, berarti kita tinggal bikin Mike said something. How can we make the character speak? Nah, di dalam Scratch itu ada yang namanya tampilan. Ya, you can click the purple one. and then it will use katakan halo. Nah, remember you need to make the mic say halo ya. So you need to click the character of the mic first. Nah, and then you can use the katakan halo below of the next program. Nah, after you click the green flag, it will say halo. Halo. Nah, kenapa dia ada? Oh, ini coba diklik lagi kostumnya. Kayaknya ada gambar yang belum kehapus. Nah, ini hapus aja nih. Hapusnya pakai
Oh,
penghapus eraser. Eh, back yang ini.
eh,
Hapus yang ini, terus hapus lingkaran. Nah, oke. Coba klik lagi bendera hijau dulu. Nah, ya pas di atas karakternya. Kayak gitu ya. Nah, berarti kamu tinggal ke kodenya lagi. Oke, sekarang tinggal rubah kata-kata halonya. Ya, ini bisa diganti nih. Halonya mau jadi apa? Gitu. Coba kamu rubah sesuai dengan story atau cerita yang tadi udah Ariana setting. Bebas.
terus.
Finish? Nah, kasihan sekali anjing itu sendirian. Nah, kalau eh yang ngomong cuma sendirian jadinya monolog. Nah, kita kan tadi bilangnya adalah dia dialog.
Hmm.
Ya, dialog berarti ngobrol. Jadi ada dua gitu ya yang ngomongnya. Nah, kamu tinggal tambahin lagi aja ya. Untuk yang dialognya berarti sekarang kita ke Barbie atau ke Taffy. Bebas yang mana? Coba yang mana? Nah, kamu tambahin lagi katakan halo. Terus nanti dia mau respon apa dari omongannya Mike.
Finish.
Guguk gitu ya, oke. Nah, biar dia ini kan kalau kamu klik bendera hijau coba. Nah, ngomongnya barengan ya. Kita coba lanjutin lagi biar Barbie-nya respon ya. Coba kamu tinggal lanjutin lagi ke Barbie-nya. Dia bisa ngomong apa berarti?
Finish.
Nah, di sini kan semuanya ngobrol barengan ya.
Yes.
Nah, kita nggak pengen dia ngobrol barengan semuanya. Caranya gimana? Caranya kamu bisa kasih tunggu ya. Tunggu itu ada di kontrol. Nah, tunggu berarti yang ngobrol duluan tadi siapa? Harusnya
Tevi,
Tevi yang ngomong duluan. Habis Tevi terus siapa?
on Mike,
Nah, berarti
dan Barbie.
Yes, we can continue to the match. Klik the match ya. Nah, baru kita kasih tunggu. Nah, tunggunya tapi di atas yang warna ungu ya. Jadi sebelum dia ngomong, kita bikin dia tunggu dulu. Enggak. Tempelin lagi. Nah, gitu boleh. Nah, tadi coba tes lagi. Nah, masih ngomong barengan ya. Anjingnya tadi ngomong berapa detik?
2 detik.
2 detik. Berarti si Maish harus ngomong berapa detik?
2 detik.
Nah, Maisha harus nunggu 2 detik ya. Kamu klik yang tunggunya berapa? Diganti jadi 2 detik. Nah, ya. Yang Barbie juga berarti ya. Barbie juga sama. Dia abis siapa ngomongnya?
Bis ke match.
Nah, berarti tinggal kamu tambah lagi tunggunya. Nggak usah digeser, bisa langsung ditempelin aja kok. Coba deh, tengah-tengahnya. Nah, gitu. Oke, berarti tadi anjingnya ngomong 2 detik, Maiche ngomong 2 detik, dijumlahin jadi
4.
4. Oke, sip. Kayak gitu ya. Oke, sekarang coba tambahin lagi dialognya. Eh, Mau diapain lagi anjingnya itu? Oke, berarti tambahin lagi bawahnya, kamu tambahin tunggu, tambahin katakan halo. Ya, sip. Kalau ada pertanyaan, tanyain.
Oke.
Paham ya? Ada pertanyaan dulu nggak?
Hmm.
Nggak ya, katakan halo sama tunggu. Jelas. Hmm, tunggunya jangan lupa ya.
Oke.
Don't forget to add tunggu, another
Apa guys?
tunggu.
Apa guys? Ini ada kolom. Udah pada sih.
Eh, tunggunya di situ yakin?
Bisa main Bayu yuk.
Bisa langsung digeser, tempel tengah. Tunggunya harusnya di tengah kan?
Yes.
Coba gimana? Biar nggak ngobrolnya barengan. Tadi ingat urutannya 2 detik, 2 detik, 2 detik, 4 detik ya. Mm-mm. Nah, itu masih ngobrol barengan tuh. Mana lagi yang perlu diganti di Barbie-nya atau di mana? Nah, yakin 4 detik di situ? Tadi 2 detik aja berarti. 4 detiknya ganti jadi 2 detik. Ya, terus yang Barbie dulu berarti yang ngomong. Heeh, kasih
Berarti
tunggu.
ini dihapus.
Tunggunya di tengah harusnya kan?
Iya. Hmm.
Hmm, gitu ya. Ada pertanyaan dulu nggak?
No.
Oke, lanjutin lagi story-nya.
Hmm.
Ingat urutannya ya. Siapa dulu yang ngomong, terus langsung kasih tunggu. Gitu ya.
Oh, hilang.
Hilang.
Ini tulisan.
Oh,
Ini nggak di
digeser,
sini.
digeser, digeser. Nah, heeh,
Wah.
sip. Ingat tunggunya, jangan lupa. Tadi siapa yang ngomong? Kalau misalnya ada yang ngomong, tunggu.
Nanti aku membuat dari kecilnya yang besok sebentar yang besok tinggal lalu nggak sih? Kalau lalu diborong orang. Which is maybe karena kalau menurut saya apa? How? pakai coklatnya langsung. Ih, melted. Oke, kita tuang. Hmm, kepicahin. Aku kasih susu. Susu sama coklat jadi susu coklat. Udah jadi game ya. Kok badannya kosak nih?
Hmm. Tunggunya itu tadi ada yang kurang berarti.
Oh,
Ah,
deh. Udah ibu cabut. Ya deh. Kan belum bisa habis satunya. Ini bocor.
gesernya yang warna biru,
Misalnya yang
yang ini warna biru tempel atas, ya, warna ungu tempel bawah, warna oranye tempel tengah.
oh berarti bisa deh bisa.
Nah, coba.
Kak mau?
Kayak gitu ya. Oke,
Nggak.
ada pertanyaan dahulu.
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada ya. So as a homework, you can add more two characters for the storyline ya. Okay, two characters and also two programs. Ya, make all of them talk to each other. Ya, so
Malah
it
jadi
create a
kacau.
conversations. Okay,
Gara-gara susunya.
yeah, you can write it down for the homework.
Makan. Makanya
Yeah,
ibu
write it
bilang tuh
down. Add
cuci
two more
bapaknya di
characters and also the dialogue.
Ini.
Finish. Okay. Sip. So far, for our lesson today, that's all of it. Yeah. So we already learned about um, emotions. Yeah, and also program, and also you learn about to create your own program and make the character movements. Yeah. Don't forget about our homework. We will continue in the next sessions. Yeah. Before we dismiss our class, Ariana, have any questions?
Ya.
No questions, yeah. Good job. Good job for today lessons. You already good. Have you used the mouse already?
No.
Oh, masih pakai touchpad.
Ya, tes tes.
Tapi masih jadi ini kok masih apa kelihatan jadi lebih lancar ya. I think uh, need to get used to it only ya. Jadi kayaknya perlu banyak latihan supaya terbiasa aja. Kemarin kayaknya baru pertama, oke? So make more another practice to get used to it. Ya. Okay, that's all of it for today lessons. If you don't have any questions, we can dismiss our class. Before that, we can take a screenshot yeah, for our second sessions. So three, two, one. Okay, thank you, Ariana. Goodbye on the next sessions. Bye. Good morning.
Mana